Welcome us in the series of videos on topology. We are looking at the first countable spaces. So as said in the previous video, let us talk about the lower limit topology. Okay. So as an example, let us take lower limit topology. And let us show that in this video, let us show that the lower limit topology RL is first countable. First countable. In fact, this is a space. RL is a space where it is first countable but not the second countable space. Okay, so then you can get the relation between first countable and second countable, whether it's a subset or superset. Those relation you can find, or this can be worked for as a counter example, right? So let us prove that RL is first countable space. So before proving it, let us recall that the basis for RL is crypt B is nothing but set of all the open intervals, say x to y, which are open, such that x and y belongs to R. Right? Union empty set and whole set is already there. Okay, so this forms the basis, right? These are the basic elements, right? From the left it is closed, and from the right it is open. So these are the basic elements. Remember that. So let us show that this is first countable. Okay, so let us prove it. So to show that RL is first countable, let us take a point in RL and let us find the neighborhood basis. Okay, so let x belongs to RL. So what will be the neighborhood basis for x? So the neighborhood basis for x means if you take any open set which contains x, there should exist one element from the neighborhood basis such that this x will belongs to that element and that will be in the given open set. Okay, so let us take a set Vx to be set of all the elements or the open sets of the form x. So I am denoting this V suffix x for this x. Okay, so x comma x plus 1 upon n such that this n belongs to natural number. Now this Vx will be our neighborhood basis, is neighborhood basis at x or for x. Okay, so not only we can just state, we need to prove that this is a neighborhood basis. Okay, so let me just show you what we have done in the last video. We'll just follow the proofs. Now here we proved that every matrix space is first countable. Okay, and for that we have proved that this is our neighborhood basis. And to show that this is neighborhood basis, we have to take a open set, any arbitrary open set, and we have to show that there exists some element from this set which will contain inside the given open set Q. Okay, we will follow the same steps. Let's move ahead. So let us show that this is the neighborhood basis. Okay, so let us take open set. So let U be open set containing x. What is our aim? Our aim is to show that there exists some element from Vx such that that element will be inside U, and we are done. Okay, so remember U is open set. Of course, this will be in lower limit topology RL. Okay, now since U is open and x belongs to U, this implies there exists basic neighborhood, that is the element from the neighborhood, and these are the neighborhoods. Basic neighborhoods are of the form this. Okay, so there exists a basic neighborhood. Say what we will take, let us say P comma Q. So P is closed, Q is open, such that this x will belongs to the basic neighborhood, say P comma Q, and this will be contained inside U. Okay, now in this case we got the basic neighborhood, but what we need to show that there exists an element of this form. Okay, now how is this? This is like we have RL, so we have X here. This X is contained inside this, so obviously this P can be equals to X. Okay, so it can be like here, this is P, it can be also very close to X, and it can be X also because it's close, and X is less than Q. Let me write here P less than or equals to X less than Q. So P less than equals to X less than Q, that means it will be Q here. Okay, now how we will get the basic neighborhood of this kind of things? Okay, of course, P is less than equals to X means this X, we can start our neighborhood from here. We can start our neighborhood from here. Okay, this X, we can start from here, but we need to find some thing like of the form 1 upon n such that X plus 1 upon n will be somewhere here. Okay, it's X plus 1 upon n. So what is the guarantee that this kind of element exists? And again, to show that this kind of element exists, we can use the Archimedes property. Okay, so let's move ahead. Let us erase this part. Okay, so X belongs to P comma Q, which is contained inside U. So this implies P less than or equals to X less than Q. So of course we can start with X also, right? Close interval X we can start. But now we need to find that n naught such that X plus 1 upon n or 1 upon n naught is less than Q. That is what our job is. Okay. Now for that, let us take this inequality. X is less than Q. Okay. So if X is less than Q, to go for Archimedes property, we need to find something greater than 0. So this implies our Q minus X will be greater than 0. So if Q minus X is greater than 0, this implies by Archimedes property, there exists some n naught in natural number such that 1 upon n naught is less than this number Q minus X. So if 1 upon n naught is less than Q minus X, this implies X plus 1 upon n naught is less than Q. Okay, that means even if we start with X and X plus 1 upon n naught, this will be contained inside P, right? It can be also X, no problem. And X plus n naught is less than Q, so this will be contained inside P comma, and this basic neighborhood P comma Q is contained inside U by the definition of open set we have already. Okay, so what we will get is this is contained inside U. Okay, and that is let me just write one more statement. This implies X belongs to the neighborhood basis element, that is X to X plus 1 upon n naught, and is contained inside U, and this implies Vx is neighborhood basis for, hence, which we have taken as arbitrary element, hence RL is first countable space. Okay, so RL is first countable, and as I said, this is the example wherein this space is not second countable. Okay, we will check the definition of second countable in the coming videos. But remember, RL is a space which is first countable, we already proved, but that is not second countable. You can prove it that RL is not second countable. We will take the definition in the coming videos. In the next video, we will take some examples and theorems and prove them. Okay, so stay tuned and see you in the next video.